Apply Pandas function to column to create multiple new columns. How to do this in Pandas? I have a function extract_text_features on a single text column, returning multiple output columns. Specifically, the function returns 6 values. The function works, however there doesn't seem to be any proper return type, Pandas dataframe to numpy array Python list, such that the output can get correctly assigned df.9, column 10 column 16, equals df.textcall.map, extract_text_features. So I think I need to drop back to iterating with df.iteros, as per this. Update. Iterating with df.iteros is at least 20x slower, so I surrendered and split out the function into 6 distinct .map, lambda ... calls. Update 2, this question was asked back around version 0.11.0, before the usability df.apply was improved or df.assign was added in version 0.16. Hence much of the question and answers are not too relevant.
This is what I've done in the past. Editing for completeness.
Building off of user 1827356's answer, you can do the assignment in one pass using df.merge. Edit. Please be aware of the huge memory consumption and low speed. This URL.
I usually do this using zip. This is the correct and easiest way to accomplish this for 95% of use cases.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.